Simone Leigh represented the United States at the 2022 Venice Biennale, one of the largest and most important contemporary art exhibitions in the world. She was the first Black woman to hold this distinction. Jointly presented by the California African American Museum and the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, this exhibition features selections from Leigh's Venice installation alongside key works from throughout her career, providing a survey of her production in ceramic, bronze, and video. For over 2 decades, Leigh has embraced an artistic vocabulary that elaborates on Black feminist thought, an intellectual tradition that values and centers the experiences of Black women. Informed by a rigorous attention to a wide swath of historical periods, geographies, and artistic traditions of Africa and the African diaspora, Leigh often combines the female body with domestic vessels or architectural elements to point to unacknowledged acts of labor and care, particularly among and for Black women. This exhibition traces the artist's unique visual language through signature motifs, including cowrie shells, braiding, rosettes, face vessels, and figurative faces. Through Leigh's reperforming of these forms in varying materials and scales, new structures of thought and meanings emerge.